like I used to say, let's do this. So we have to upgrade. The new way they ask us to do this Cleva, precisely. We are using Cleva before. This is the new way how to do it. Just click on upgrade. Click on upgrade. The information will be there. Start verification. So definitely you fill all these things. We are freelancer. You can fill as a freelancer. What they wrote there, most recent occupation as a KDP person. Let's say writer, if there's anything, writer and author, because we're a KDP person, we write books for a living. And the next year is a primary source. Primary purpose of this account, we use this account for receiving payment from freelancing. That's the best option I have here. Do this. Next option is this one will be others, which means Airbnb, Amazon, and etc., which is others platform. You click on done. Next, how much are you expecting? Definitely you can do between 1,000 to 5,000. Let's not be too greedy. I am receiving fund myself. Definitely now you they work, now you they receive your fund. Then you press continue. So for the continue, you can use any of the information here. You can use the international passport, driver license, voters card, and NIN. I guess I have my international passport. Take a picture of my ID, definitely. So I guess it will connect to my my phone. Wait, I guess it skipped that, maybe because the information is there already. I don't know. So he asked me to take a selfie, which I will do that now. Or what they say, let's get your verification, verify. I guess it's a selfie of myself. Okay, I guess take of the passport. So I have the passport here. I don't know if you can see it. I have my passport here, so I'll just take a picture of it. So he's doing that at the moment. So a selfie of me. This is my real face for people that don't know me before now. So I've done that. So next thing, it has to like excuse me, photo process rather, checking for image and clear and well frame. Definitely, let's see. He's doing that. Thank you. Verification has been done successfully. It's as simple as that. So our verification is ready. Then KYC pending. Definitely they will accept it. Once they accept it, you get your new bank details. There's no any magic around this thing. Let me see. In less than a few seconds, definitely it will verify it. So new account is ready. Let me just click on account. Okay, so once the confirm the KYC, right, in less than 5 minutes, I'm very sure in less than 5 minutes the KYC will be confirmed, and then your account details will be ready. It will upgrade by itself automatically. It's as simple as that, guys. See you in the other video, and bye for now. As you can see, the email has dropped. Before I even say bye for now, the email has dropped. Your account is now active. As you can see, your account is now, dear Solomon, we are excited to inform you that the account is active. So let me just refresh this page. Yeah, the account is ready. So just click on your account. The account details is ready. The new account details is ready. That's just it. Then use the new account details to create a new KDP account for there. If by chance this account has been terminated before, this is an opportunity to use the same app, a new set of bank details entirely, to create a new KDP account, or use it to update. Let's say the account is not terminated yet, so that you'll be able to get your payments moving, because they said starting from February 14, as of today that I'm recording this, the old account will stop receiving funds. You get, so you can use it to go to your Amazon account. You are using Upwork, you are using any of your, even though you are sending your bank details to a client, if you're a freelancer like I mentioned, just send the new bank details to the person sending you money, or the company paying you as a freelancer. Your Upwork, go and change the bank details on Upwork. As Amazon KDP, go to your bank details and change it to the new one. And like I said, if the account has been terminated before, for Amazon KDP people, this is an opportunity for you to use a new bank details entirely, to use it to create a new bank account. It's as simple as that. See you in the next video, guys, and bye for now.